Right here I have this really nice knife. Great gift for those who like cooking or baking as well. So as you can see in the box, it's really nicely wrapped. It comes with this booklet here as well. And then you can see the knife. This is great to cut bread with these. And it has the nice ridges here. As you can see, it's great quality. It's very durable and sturdy. As you can see the knife, it has this protecting plastic here at the top, which you can remove. And then you can see the handle here as well. Great product and great quality. So I will show you how you can use this to cut anything using this knife and how well this knife works. So as you can see, you can use this knife to cut anything you need to in the kitchen. It's a very nice quality knife and it works very nice as well. It's a very nice design. So you can just hold the product and be able to smoothly cut with this knife. As you can see, it cuts very smoothly, very straight, and very nice. Great product and it works very well. It's also very easy to clean and maintain. And you can use this for different products, for bread or anything else that you need to as well.